What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to talk about something that absolutely nobody else is talking about, which is growing your TikTok using Pinterest. So a short little intro as to what Pinterest is. Pinterest is amazing because it's a search engine instead of a social media platform. So instead of posting videos hoping they get in front of the right people and hoping that they go viral, what you're able to do is take the content that you create and put it directly in front of people that are already looking for the type of content that you're posting. So if you haven't watched my last video about creating good content, viral content that people actually want to consume, that is step one. I would go watch that after this. But once you've created that good content that is interesting and engaging and all of that, and you want to put it somewhere else, this is what you're going to do. So I'm going to share my screen here so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, and I'm going to walk you through all of this. So here is my Pinterest account, and what I'm going to do here is show you first where we're going to put keywords in. I'm going to do a whole other video about keywords, but we're going to put that in your display name, your bio, all of that. So once you have your account set up and optimized, there's a couple different places that you can place your TikToks. So the first place is on your boards. So if I was going to put it on a TikTok on my TikTok growth board, then I could click the plus button here, click pin, and then upload the video or whatever I wanted to put in. Then in my title, I would need to put in what the video is about and good keywords that describe what's going on in the video, and then pin it to that board. So that's the first way that you can kind of repurpose your content. The second thing that's really hot right now is story pins. So story pins are a new feature that have recently been rolled out. They're not available in every country yet, but if you're in the US, you have access to this. So if you go into your settings, you can apply for access to story pins. And then here where we click the plus button, just like we did to create a regular pin, we can click on story pin. So this is kind of, you do this the same way where you can upload your TikTok directly here. And then there's a couple different steps where you don't put in the link, you don't do that, you just put in a title. But these story pins are getting hundreds of thousands of views because they're a new feature, and so they're being pushed a lot right now. Which, even though you don't have a link back to your social media, it's still bringing people back to your profile, and it's still giving you that brand visibility that you really, really need to become kind of a household name on the internet. So when you post a TikTok on here, you want to make sure that you link it back to your TikTok so that people can then go through and really easily find you. But there should be a lot of different links going to your social media, going to your website, your blog, whatever, from Pinterest, so that when people come back to your profile, whether it's from a story pin or a different video or pin that you posted, they have access to all of your content from right there. So the third way that you can use Pinterest to promote your TikTok is by creating pins that are for that video. So if I was going to do a video on TikTok about how to start a podcast, then I could take all of these pins. Here's a pin, there's a few more about starting a podcast. Here's another one, and create 5 to 10 pins that have that title that then take people back to your TikTok. So then you're forcing people to click through and go back to your account to get that information. So you'll drive a lot of traffic on your account, and then getting those more views coming from Pinterest on your TikTok will then help boost you in the TikTok algorithm because you'll have the watch time, you'll be getting more traffic and shares, and it will help push you out to more people on TikTok itself. So it's a really cool tool, and I think it's definitely worth using. So the last thing to keep in mind if you're going to use this for your TikTok is that this can happen very quickly, and you still have the same type of virality that you have with TikTok. So this video, I posted this a couple days ago, and it already has 58,000 views, 3,000 pin clicks, 400 saves or shares. So it's getting the same type of traction that I get on my videos on TikTok. So instead of only having 50,000 or 1 million or 2 million views like I have on this one on TikTok, I have an extra 50,000 views that have come through here because, and more people have seen my face. There's a lot of older users that are on Pinterest that aren't on TikTok that have now seen my video and know who I am. So it builds your credibility in the online space by being on multiple platforms, and it helps you to reach an audience that maybe you would never even be able to tap into if you only were on TikTok. That's all I wanted to talk about today about growing your TikTok using Pinterest. I hope that this was helpful for you. If it was, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and feel free to drop any questions that you have down below or send me a DM. I'm always happy to help. So, thank you for watching. I will see you next time.